So, I recently bought the updated Steam Deck, the one with 15 buttons, and from initial impressions, let's just say the box is not in the best condition ever. I actually bought it from the same place that I bought the Wave XLR, which is Best Buy. Kind of surprised in the condition the box came in. I mean, it could be much worse, but still though, these weird scratches on the top. But yeah. So the difference between this one and the old one is that the old one you couldn't unplug the cable. With this one, it comes with a typical USB Type C cable, and you can change it around for some that are smaller or larger depending on what your needs are. Other than that, yeah, I'm gonna just do a typical unboxing. The only thing I've done so far is just cut these things off. This side didn't even come with any. But yep. Okay, first thing you see is the start of the show. I'm surprised there's no covering for it. As you can see on the other video I posted about the Wave XLR, it came in a bag. Surprised this one didn't come in a bag. And apart from that, you have same thing that comes with every one of their products, and the quick start guide, and the cable to use it. Other than that, have the base, actually comes out easier than I would have liked. I would have liked a bit more holding force. But yeah, that's it. It's a pretty simple unboxing. Hope you liked it. Keep an eye on the channel. More unboxings will be coming. More streaming, especially now that I have that. And yeah, thank you for watching.